So right now we are here in one of the hotel in Sydney. The name is Regis Hotel. It's a four-star hotel and it looks nice. Look at this. So let's see what is inside of this hotel here in 809 Regis Hotel. So I'm here inside now, and the first thing you're going to see is the mirror here with these glasses, and coffee and tea maker. And then there's a toilet here. How it looks like. Where's the light? Wow, it's nice with a big mirror, a toilet, and all these toiletries. Nice. And a small bathtub here. There's a cabinet. There's a mini fridge here with all the alcoholic beverages. For sure, there is a charge. There's soft drinks, Corona, Fishbone, water, Cascade. I don't know what are those. Chocolates. And there's a iron. And yeah, for cleaning. And in here there are two beds. Yeah, two beds. And another mirror, as you can see there. So it looks nice. And maybe this is a welcome kit, a channel. What are those things? Yeah. So there are two small bed, very small, two bed. And this is like a living room. Nice. And there is also a, what do you call this, a dock for the iPod. So it's nice. Wow. And there is a wine there. Oh, there's a domino set. Yeah, looks nice. So this is how it looks like. Oh, okay, let me switch on the light, because why there is no light? The light is this too. Huh? That, and this. So this room is nice. And let's see what is outside here. Oh, this is what you're going to see outside. So whispered. So basically this is the room. It costs 140 Australian dollar. That's expensive. And later I will show you the facilities that this hotel have to offer. So yeah, nice. And it's carpeted, and the carpet is clean. So really nice. So we are going to explore what are the facilities of this hotel. And this is the swimming pool of the hotel. And there is a gym, of course. It's on this way. Oh yeah, it's a small gym, just right for light workout. There are two treadmills and this equipment, and some dumbbells and these things. Very simple that you're going to find in a hotel room. So here in Sydney, they are very strict when it comes to the age of the person that is going to the restaurant that are serving alcoholic beverages. Just look at this, Liquor Act 1982. If you are under 18, you are by law not permitted to be in this area of the hotel unless you are in the company and immediate presence of responsible adults. So that is how it is here in Sydney.